Hi and welcome back to yet another video. Today I was thinking that we were going to look a little bit on my controllers and on the mounting for the camera. I have a mount for the camera on every controller except for the new one, and that we are going to put down today. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it and where I put it, and it has nothing to do in interference with the range or anything about with the RC. This is my Dromeda's tactical controllers. They're pretty easy. Open here, start, steering, trim, everything. 2-channel. And I've just put a, I don't know what you say, GoPro mount maybe in the front. So I can just slide on here. And then I can just put a camera on here. So any camera with a 1/4 of an inch threads, you can just put it on here. So that's my Dromeda controller, tactical, and this is for my rally version. This is for my touring version. So this has number 1 and number 2, and the mounts are pretty much the same. Little arm you can pull out, and this one actually has that you can pull it to get to the sides, so you can get pretty cool angles, shots, and everything. And it's the same size, so you just screw the camera on and then you can like go out and start shooting videos. So it makes it really easy to have both hands on the controller when you're driving. This is my 2-channel Traxxas controller that I use for my E-Revo and my Summit 160 VXL brushless systems. And this also has a GoPro mount. I actually see that this is broken now, so I'm gonna have to change this one out, probably from the cold. So this one goes to the trash. And actually I have a new one right there, so I'm just gonna put that one on like that, and it's finished. So now you can see I have a new mount here on my GoPro, on my Traxxas controller. So it's really easy to just snap on and snap off. So I'm now gonna show you guys how to put this one on here, or how do I do it. I'm not saying that you have to do it like this, or this is just one way of many. So what I do is I take some super glue and I take some hot glue. This is my hot glue gun, so and it goes on batteries. It's really convenient. So you just push it here and it takes like 10 to 15 seconds to get warm. And then I just choose the place where I want the mount to be headed at. That is a pretty good spot. So now it's already warm. So I take not too much, but like a few drops of the super glue. And then I'm starting to pull the hot glue around here. This actually won't hurt the controller. The glue can be taken away afterwards. And this one thing that you have to think about when you're doing this is to get this one straight. If you get this a little bit on the side or something, then your camera will always have a little slight tilt. So that's basically it. That's how easy I do it. I know some people do it down here. I have a little bit problems to have it down here. I don't feel that it's doing what I want, because if I want to film me, for example with this one, if I want to film down, I just push it down there and then it hangs down here, so the camera can get like a really low point of view. and then the car looks really good from that angle and everything. And if I want, I can just put it back up like this, and then I can film myself talking or anything, and it's really convenient and easy for me. And then I can just put it back down and I can start filming. That's why I want to have it up here and not down here. So I can feel the glue gun is still warm. So what I usually do is I take, when it's dried, I take the glue gun and I just fill up some little holes on the sides, like this. So now it's really sturdy. Just have to wait until the hot glue, what do you say, when it's hardened. So you have to wait until the hot glue is hardened, all from a couple of seconds to a little bit longer. This time it went really fast. So really now for me is to get another. So basically what you need is just one of these. This can just pop down. See? Really easy, really convenient, and really whatever you want to say. Then I'll just put this back on right. And to get really nice different kind of angles and stuff, usually like to have one more. Put this one on here, like that. So now I have so that I can film myself talking to you guys, and I can take it down and film really low, nice sequences for like the movie scenes and everything. Yeah, I'm really happy with this, and it's easy, it's quick. I haven't had any problems with them yet, with the camera dropping or the glue is like losing or anything, and I haven't had any problems with the range or anything like that. So this is a really good way if you want to do it like this. And of course there's other ways to do it also, so everyone has their way. This is just one. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I'll be doing a couple of new videos of different stuff. I'm gonna be painting a body, I'm gonna be out driving the new crawler. There's a lot more to see. So if you're new to the channel, please consider to subscribe. If you like the movie, give it a thumbs up. If there's something you're still wondering about or anything that I haven't said, or put it down in the comments below and I'll be as quick as I can to reply. Go out there, have a good time with your RCs, and bring your friends, do whatever, this and that, and like, woo! Goodbye!